Jacksonville State. Second down, high snap. They He's 240 pounds. He puts him in motion. See if he just tries to sneak it. Well, he didn't sneak it. He tried to come to left guard. And 4-3 set for the Tigers. They split the secondary, and it's J.D. Williams on the catch, and he takes it inside. Barge, Twins left. Max, the snap, gives to DeMarcus, and he is breaking tackles and just carrying and driving all the way to the field. Max gets the snap. He'll give to DeMarcus. Straight ahead, touchdown, Jacksonville State. Skelton out, or check it, I'm sorry, Carson out there right now. They hand to Hooks. Gamecocks field. A minute to play and a half. Gamecocks blitz. They come down the sideline. It's picked off by Junior Huff. Huff back at the 25. Intercepts it, trying to run and come with it, and they'll knock him down right around the 28-yard line with Jacksonville State. Snapped Eli. He'll give to Jones and shot right through the middle again. And look at the little guy carry, folks. He went right toward us. Third down, 6 at the 34. Or at the Eli gonna roll right. Option runner throw. He'll run it. 45 to midfield and a first down and out to the right. Gamecock first down. Snap to Eli. Pulls it out. Going to keep it. Get to the corner. 35-30. Breaks the tackle. 25 to the 20 to the 8. Snap. Eli. He'll give James at the 7 to the end zone. Did he get their ball? Yes. Touchdown, touchdown, touchdown. The ball got free. They went diving on it in the back of the end zone, but he's in the end zone. Max Shortell, snap Max. He's got it, hands to Marcus. Got a hold of the 25, cuts to the 30. Oh, he ran over a guy. Took him on just with that carry. First down at the 35. Snap to Max. He'll fake, drops to throw. Looks, deep out route for Goffigan. Did he catch it? Is he inbounds? Did he hold on to it? Yes, he caught it. Cox out of the pistol. It's Pope behind Shortell. He'll get the handoff. Buster cuts it, 25, Buster to the 20 to the 19. Snap from Holcomb, got it to Shortell. He'll give to Buster. Oh, got around the blitz, going to turn the corner to the 15. Buster 10, Buster 5, touchdown! Buster, Tremaine Pope, touchdown run, 19 yards. Now is the running back for Jacksonville State. Underneath route, Barge breaks one, breaks two tackles, breaks a third, across the 35 and out around the. They got 7-8 men in the box here to the Tigers. Threatened to blitz with a safety. Eli got a turn, gives to Jones to the corner, 35, 40, 45, took on the safety. Snap to German, underneath, bobble, intercepted by Sigler. Oh, he stumbled and fell. Hey, Eli the snap, Eli the handoff to Marcus. Pulling guys as they hang on to the jersey. That defense.